Hi, I'm Harrington Benton. Welcome to Total Team Control. Today on Total Team Control, we're going to continue to talk about the interplay between the offense and defensive lines and getting pressure on the quarterback. Here you see the Lions lined up in a standard offensive formation with Stafford under center. The Rams in a base wide formation. A wide 4-3 with those linebackers ready to come up into the play. Today we're going to talk about getting pressure on the quarterback, and we're going to feature the left linebacker, Alec Ogletree. We're going to try and free up Ogletree and get Ogletree in on the quarterback. What we're going to do is we're going to take Alec Ogletree and we're going to move him up into a blitzing position. And here we place Alec Ogletree in a blitzing position. As our left defensive end, we'll take the right tackle here. A lane will open for Ogletree here. But not only that, we've got another surprise that'll help us to free Alec Ogletree. Let's take a look at the play, and we'll show it to you in stop action analysis. Blue 17. River, river, river. And there's the play. And as you see, with that right tackle in river protection, gets his body turned and gets in a good position to block that left defensive end, Robert Quinn, coming around the corner. Our left tackle has contacted that right defensive end, Aaron Donald. Protection seems to be holding up well, except for Alec Ogletree. Is what we've done on the play is we've taken the left defensive tackle, set his base to step back. He doesn't struggle here at the line of scrimmage, and he opens the lane for Alec Ogletree to make the play. Beautiful play design. Let's watch the resumption of the play. And there's Ogletree making the big hit on the quarterback. Many ways to get pressure on the quarterback. There you saw the left defensive tackle pull out and allow that lane to open for Alec Ogletree to make the play and the big hit on Matthew Stafford. This is Total Team Control, the best electric football in the world. And we show you electric football at the highest level. Let's take this particular play, the interplay between the offense and defense of lines and those linebackers, Again, we'll see the right tackle here playing Ocean Protect. He's going to try and get his body here, the side of his body turned to block the advance of the oncoming defensive lineman. As you can see with the defensive lineman now, this is the interplay between the offense and defense, the cat and mouse game. The defensive lineman has moved back off of the line of scrimmage. He's widened his stance, trying to disrupt the rhythm of the tackle to turn his body here. He may line up here, he may line up here, or here out in the 9. As that defensive end varies his position to start, as well as the right defensive end. As you can see, the right defensive end at a slight looping angle here to try and get around the left tackle, who's in the standard left tackle pass blocking stance. So he'll just turn his hips here, unlike the right tackle, who is in Ocean Protect, who will actually turn his body into this direction. We backed off Ogletree. And what we want to take a look at is the play of these outside rushers as they vary their positions in an attempt to break the rhythm and the timing of the tackles and to get around those tackles and get to Matthew Stafford. Also, Matthew Stafford on the offense is changing the route that he retreats on his back pedal. Here, Stafford's going to slightly roll out into this direction. And continue to change so that those defenders don't get a chance to measure Matthew Stafford and meet him at the apex of his drop. Let's watch the play. Blue 22. River. And the stop action analysis. And there's the play. And as we can see, Cornelius Lucas has rotated his entire body and is just going to give a body blow to Robert Quinn. Again, that linebacker is coming up through that lane, through the B gap. Our left defensive end, our right defensive end here, varied his loop and appears to be getting around the left tackle. Remember, Stafford altered his route, and for the most part, you would have to say that is pretty nice protection for Stafford. Let's watch the continuation of the play. And there, Stafford is finally collected by Aaron Donald from the backside. And what this tackle shows is that in varying your position as a pass rusher, you can disrupt the rhythm of where a lineman would expect you to be on a given pass rush. Continue to move around. Don't let them measure you. And you get in on the quarterback with a big hit. I'm Harrington Benton. This is Total Team Control.